Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. What is a VA renovation loan? So we have had renovation loans for conventional financing, for FHA financing. You buy the house, you fix it up, you move in, and it's worth more. And they include all that. They give you the money for it and everything. But now for veterans, for my fellow veterans, for those of us that qualify for VA loans, we can do a renovation loan. I kind of wish I had this on mine because I had to put a bunch of money out of pocket in 2020 when I bought my house and remodeled it. Either way, let's say you're buying something that they're selling it for $500,000 and it's going to take about $100,000 for you to remodel the way you want to remodel it. You want new floors, new kitchen, new bathrooms, whatever it is. Well, you'll qualify to buy that $500 to get another $100 to do that as long as your appraisal comes in at $600, $650, $700 based on where the value will be after the renovation. The value right now in those conditions might be that $500, but after the renovation is what matters because after is what they're basing it on. That's a renovation loan. Any veterans? VA renovations. Mortgage Nerd out.